Here within the School of Design and Applied Arts, we run two pathways, the BSc Product Design pathway and the BA Product Design pathway. There is distinct differences between each pathway. If I explain the BSc one, it's all about designing from inside out. So you look at the inside and the technology and how it's utilised, and then you shroud it in an enclosure to make it user-friendly.
So the Product Design BA pathway encourages students to be forward-thinking, philosophical in the real sense of the word, the everyday idea of how things work, how we interact with them. You can be as conceptual as you like as a student here, but we always bring things back to the tangible and the makeable.
During your first year on the programmes, the BA and the BSc are run concurrently. There are a couple of modules different, but you learn to, should we say, gauge your basic core designing skills. And of course, as a BSc student, you undertake product engineering modules whereby you learn how technology works.
In the second year, when everybody is a little bit more comfortable with both sides and the CAD and all the sort of 3D printing aspects, they are given group design practice where we get live clients to come and offer design briefs, and they can work with industry in a more tangible manner and then follow their own technical path or more creative path.
Third year is a really exciting year. It's when you get to choose your own projects. You undertake a minor project, which is usually competition led, and you undertake a detailed major project for the full year, where you look at the user analysis, the technological sort of analysis, and hopefully choose the working prototype.
So from the time that the students join us on the product design pathways, they have dedicated studio space and they have their own desk for the whole time that they're studying with us. So they can make a mess, they can put all their work out, they can hang things up, they can build from it. So it's a tiny little design studio per person within a bigger studio, and that's dedicated to each student throughout the years. So in addition, we have dedicated metal shop, we have wood shop, we have plaster facilities, fiberglass, glass, clay, ceramics, all that sort of thing. So if you can imagine it and design it, then you can make it.
Staffing expertise on the programme is extensive. The majority of staff have actually come from industry. So we're all practicing designers, we've burnt the candle at both ends, we've got products out there that we can show and demonstrate, so we know what we're talking about. We're slightly different to other universities where we bring the client to you. So we get people down here, such for example Rolls-Royce, Lego, to actually come and talk to you about how design is actually undertaken in industry. So you get their experience but in a studio environment. In addition to that, we enter national competitions, so you can actually benchmark yourself against other graduates of your time and hopefully win some competitions. During your time here, we get to know you because we are a small programme. We get to understand your needs and requirements, so we can actually see where your skill sets are and what your aspirations are. So we can actually focus and direct your career progression. And obviously, we develop your skill sets so they're up to industry benchmarkings. So when you actually go for that interview, you're highly developed and highly skilled to actually impress.